Hello everyone! Let's start this week with a brief overview video to have a look at the topics we're going to be covering and the special deadlines this week will have. So first of all, as a general week overview, on the math side, we're going to be covering three main topics. First of all, we're going to be talking about separable ODEs. As the name says, is a type of ODEs in which we can separate things. In particular, what we're going to be separating are variables, so the unknown variable and the time variable. Then we're going to talk about the difference between linear and nonlinear. Now, this is the title of the chapter of the book that we're covering, and it refers to the fact that in linear first-order ODEs, we have explicit formulas for the solution, so we know that the solution exists because we have computed it. In case of nonlinear ODE systems, we actually have to be a bit more careful when talking about the existence and the uniqueness of the solution. So the last topic will be a very in-depth look at the existence and uniqueness. So up to now, we have looked at ODEs and we have tried to solve them. But we haven't really looked at them and asked if they can be solved, or if the solution that we find is the only solution that we can find. And this is the main core of the second part of this week's lectures. Looking at deadlines, special assignments this week is the timed assignment. I also am going to be putting online the lab number 1. I'll be putting it online this week, but its deadline is next week, such that you have some time to start working through it. I encourage you to start looking at it, such that you don't have a lot of questions just 10 minutes before the deadline. Work on it already. But the focus of this week is the timed assignment. How is it going to be working? It's going to be taking place on Friday. It's going to be available from 12 noon to 12 midnight on Friday. All times are always New York times, Rutgers times. Once you start, you have 30 minutes to finish the assignment. It's going to be, as a format, a Canvas quiz. So it's timed. From the moment you start it, you have 30 minutes to complete it. It should be able to be done in 15 to 20 minutes. So 30 minutes should be large. Its structure is going to be 3 multiple choice questions, as the quizzes you have been taking, and 1 pen and paper exercise. Once you submit the quiz, you have a 15 minutes window in which you can submit a PDF of the pen and paper exercise. So the multiple choice questions, you can just enter the answers or clicking the right solution. For the pen and paper exercise, the solution needs to be given as a PDF. And you can put the PDF in the comment of the exercise. If you have any problem in taking part in this timed assignment, because this is an asynchronous course, so I don't know if all of you can be present 30 minutes between 12 noon and 12 midnight on Friday. If you have problems being there for 30 minutes during that window, let me know so we can arrange something else.